in today's thriving Greater Toronto Area. Construction, concrete, and cleanup companies are an essential part of the city's infrastructure. And in this field, Royal King Construction Concrete, teaming up with Kronox Disaster Services, leading the innovation and development of the industry. Royal King Concrete has 35 years of experience in the industry, always committed to providing high-quality architectural concrete solutions to our customers. Whether it's a small-scale construction project or a large infrastructure project, to ensure superior engineering quality, they use advanced equipment and technology to strictly control every step of the process. Their team is passionate, experienced, and attentive to every detail of management, to ensure that each project meets the highest industry standards.
My name is Rino. Tiene come 35 anni di esperienza. Non mi ricordo, più o meno 1 milione, 2 milioni di lavoro ho fatto in questo periodo. Ok? E il lavoro che faccio io è tutto garantito, 100%. I give it to you very my the best.
We are here to offer our experience in a concrete jobs.
Kronox Disaster Services is an experienced commercial cleaning company, focused on flood emergencies for the Greater Toronto Area. Professional solutions for fire emergencies and health needs. Since 2012, they are available for every urgent need of customers. Provides comprehensive support services include flood damage mitigation and restoration, fire cleanup, mold detection and remediation, dismantling hazardous material removal, highly detailed cleaning after construction cleaning services, etc. To achieve and maintain quality cleaning that exceeds industry standards and meets strict environmental standards, they use the best commercial grade equipment, including industrial fans and blowers, dehumidifiers and HEPA vacuums, air purifier and extractor. Whether it's post-disaster cleanup or residential cleaning, they always pursue the highest industry standards. Prompt response 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and customized according to customer requirements. A team of experienced professionals makes them an industry leader. Employees responsible for post-disaster cleanup are WHMIS certified and receive construction emergency procedures, training in health and safety regulations, dedicated to providing comprehensive solutions that exceed customer expectations. Over the years, they have completed many impressive projects. Whether it is a commercial building, residential property, or public infrastructure, always winning the trust of our customers with exquisite craftsmanship and innovative solutions. Royal King Construction Concrete and Kronox Disaster Services, as your trustworthy partner, dedicated to the building and cleaning needs of the city. Provide professional and high-quality solutions. Both architectural, concrete, or cleanup, the team will do their best, providing you with professional services that exceed your expectations. Royal King Construction Concrete and Kronox Disaster Services, building a solid foundation for the city, leading the industry in innovation and development.